Experiencing a blank screen or error messages on your Spectrum cable box? Let's troubleshoot common issues like no signal and error codes. First, understand the basics. A no signal error often means a break in the signal path from the street to your TV. Error codes like E100 for tuning problems or E101 for signal loss are your box's way of telling you what's wrong. Picture problems like pixelation usually stem from weak signal strength or network congestion. Start with the simplest solutions. Power cycle the box by unplugging it for 60 seconds. Check all cable connections, coaxial and HDMI, ensuring they're secure and undamaged. Access the diagnostic menu on your Spectrum box via Menu, Settings, Info to check your signal levels. The ideal range is between -15 and +15 dBm. If you're using the Spectrum app, clear the cache to resolve viewing issues on your mobile devices. For persistent issues, use the My Spectrum app for live chat with support or call 1-888-892-2253. If you're getting a signal but the picture is distorted, freezing, or has strange colors, you may have a bandwidth overload or outdated firmware. Ensure your Spectrum box has the latest firmware by going to Menu, Settings, Software Update on your remote. For HDMI handshake failures causing picture issues, try a different HDMI port on your TV or a different HDMI cable. If your issues started recently, network congestion might be to blame, especially during peak hours. Consider upgrading your Spectrum internet plan if you frequently stream in high definition. For advanced troubleshooting, especially in areas prone to signal issues during storms, consider using a Spectrum-approved coaxial splitter if you're splitting the signal. User reports suggest this can help with E101 errors during thunderstorms. If problems persist, it's likely an issue outside your home, like a faulty amplifier. Don't hesitate to contact Spectrum support for professional assistance, particularly if basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue. Remember, tampering with the equipment yourself might void your warranty.